So this is Bryant gas water boiler, and we have pilot safety that's in very bad shape, and I found this pilot safety here. Let's see. That's what the new one looks like. We're gonna give it a try to replace and see if it works. The part number on this, it's hard to see, but we're gonna give it a try and replace it and see if it works. So the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna disconnect this and this, and there are two screws at the bottom, and take out the entire assembly. That's the only way to take out the entire thing, and once I take out, I'll show you what it looks like. It's disconnected, and I'm gonna try to take this out. So the screw is removed, and just disconnected the entire assembly. It's obviously very old and it's deteriorated once I installed the new one. Now I'm going to remove these two pilot tubes and we'll replace and give it a try. We have two screws on the back of the old one. I'll take this off. So this is off now. Two more wires on the front. So I attached the new one. Pipes attached, wires attached, and we'll give it a try. So everything is connected. It's a brand new part. Again, it's very difficult to find. Comes with a little instruction. I'll take a look at that. So this one replaces all these different date 1989. Okay, interesting. 31 years ago, that's when this was made. This one was made. None of these parts are available, by the way. That was available, old stock. It's brand new, but it's still, you know, it's old, but it's new. So we'll give it a try, see if it comes on. If it does not, he will be so sad to find this boiler go eventually. So these systems have, this is old pilot valve. Besides the gas valve, there's a pilot valve. You have to open this, and gas starts flowing, and then pilot comes on. When the pilot comes on, the bimetal warms up right here, and contact between these two wires will be closed. Once this is closed, that means the gas valve will get power. We also have here old, this is Aquastud. Let's see. So this Aquastud also controls the gas valve. It's connected right here. Basically that controls the gas to the gas valve, if I'm not mistaken. I have to really see some literature about how this works. This is the gas regulator here, and the aquastat. This is the old style aquastat that allows the pilot, it actually controls the pilot gas, looks like, because here gas goes in, comes out. When it comes out, whatever goes in comes out, and that pipe is connected right here, goes all the way down and supplies the gas to the pilot. So at this point we'll give it a try and fire up, see if it comes on. So the heat comes on, and I have to still check the joints, make sure nothing is leaking. Make sure nothing is leaking here. I know this one's not going to leak. I applied a little bit of pipe dope as well. That's not going to leak. So the boiler's on. Alright, the rest is basically to check the pressures and everything. I'm not going to put this in this video. I'm not going to record it because it's pretty basic. That the idea here was replacement of this pilot assembly. A very rare part, difficult to find, but this is done. Of course, this is not for do yourselfers. Please do not try this by yourself. You have to be a qualified technician. You really have to know what you're doing, because you're playing with the gas and heat and the fire. That's not good. Do not try this yourself. This is for education purposes only. And thanks for watching. Please like it and subscribe so I can put out more videos about interesting parts that I come across. Thanks for watching.